Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to look for wrist exercises, wrist loosening exercises for wrist pain, or if you had a recent injury or you have a weak wrist. So people who work continuously on laptop, sometimes they get wrist pain. So you can do this for any kind of wrist pain, or you feel weak wrist, you can do this. Now while doing, if you get any sharp pain, if any pinching or not comfortable pain, you should stop doing this. Okay, so these are very simple exercises. So if you get the pain due to working continuously with a tired wrist, then you can take a break in between your work and do some loosening exercises and get back to work. Okay, if you have injury or pain, you can just do it a few times in a day based on how you feel, and see the change. Okay, so let's get started. So you can do it sitting on the chair, you can do it sitting down on the floor as well. Okay, however you wish to. So now first just stretch your arms forward. Okay, now when you inhale, just stretch your fingers. Exhale, thumb inside, form the fist. Inhale, stretch, exhale. So this helps to loosen up the muscles around your wrist. Okay, so inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now last one, just stretch and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Now form the fist. It's just the gentle fist and it is a wrist rotation. Okay, so you can stretch your arms forward and go for wrist rotation. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Good. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, relax. Relax. Now you just stretch your left arm forward and you just press your left palm facing towards you. Try to keep your elbow straight. Feel that complete stretch in your whole arm, your left arm, your biceps, your triceps muscles, on your forearm. Hold. The muscles around your wrist will get stretched. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now you press your palms facing up. Hold. Press it against each other. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Again, same thing with right. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. This really helps to release that tiredness on your arms, the muscles. Now you can just form the fist. Okay, it's a lateral movement. So just hold your arm with your left palm. Okay, and just side to side movement. So you hold and just move side to side. Okay, again, if you get any pain, please stop, don't continue. If any sharp pain, continuous pain, if you still don't feel okay, you need to consult a doctor, show it to doctor, make sure what is it, and then go ahead with exercises. Okay, now from left, just form the fist and hold your wrist and just this side to side. Go slow. Okay, relax. Now you can interlock your fingers and just the wrist rotation. So you can start with the clockwise direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite direction, you can go up to 10 to 15 now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Relax. relax. Now just stretch your arms at your shoulder level, turn your palm facing up and join your palms together. Now exhale, bring your arms down and relax. So you can even go for a few rounds. So inhale, keep your arms, your elbows straight, turn and up. Exhale, you can just turn your palm facing out this way as you're bringing your arms down and relax. Okay, continue. Inhale, turn, exhale, relax. Okay, again go for about 4 to 5 rounds. Now just stretch and turn your palm facing up and you just bend your wrist in, so fingers pointing in, and this is actually helps to loosen up your arms, your biceps and triceps muscles, and in a way it helps in loosening, reducing pain. So you won't feel much on your wrist, but it is holistic pain management. So just give a little jerk here and straighten your arms. Okay, you can go about 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this not only helps to release the pain on your wrist, but helps to strengthen your arms, your biceps, triceps muscles, tone up your arms as well. Okay, now next, so bring your both palms together. It's a prayer pose. Okay, press against each other and just keep holding here. So as you hold, you feel that pressure on your all the muscles on your biceps muscles, triceps, your forearm muscles, hold your finger joints, wrist joints. So feel that, just hold here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now from here you can rest and we can go ahead. So you move your arms on your right and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come to center and on your left and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. So one more time again. Palms together, and here as you exhale, turn your palms, your fingers facing down. Inhale up, exhale, inhale, exhale, and one more round. You can again go up to 10 rounds, and last one you can hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, so one more stretch which you can try if you feel comfortable is just bring your right palm under your right foot and try to straighten your leg and press your right foot, your palms down. Okay, so this way. So you press and try to straighten your arm, pressing your right palm down. Okay, again based on how you feel. If you have injury, try avoiding this, but if it is healing, if you feel okay, you can do it. So these are the simple wrist exercises which you can do it during the day. Take a break, do it in the morning, and it will definitely help to release the pain. Okay, so let me know how did it go, how did you feel, and if this video has helped you, help to share with your friends, your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming back soon with another video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.